Alright, so that's the second part of this snow adventure, if I can say that. You can check the first part of this vlog on the link above on the cards. And we're gonna show you guys a little bit more of the nature around Loviisa. But after that we went indoors to get a little bit cozy and make our favorite Brazilian snack. Check it out! Mind that this is not a formal recipe by any means, but we just wanted to share a little bit of the process. There you can see me and my friend Vivian, we're mixing the dough. Then we made also the filling, which is shredded chicken with cream cheese. After that, then we make it in a teardrop shape, which is the traditional shape for a coxinha. Then we bread it, put it in the air fryer, and after that you will see the final result.